Welcome to the Drum Set Therapy Podcast. My name is Stefano Ashbridge, and this is a show about the challenges that come with playing the drums and what you can do about them so you enjoy your drumming journey. Visit drumlessonsinla.com for online and in-person drum coaching. How do you know when to move on from what you're practicing? There's a sense that we're never really done practicing. We can always improve on something, but at some point we have to decide to move on. I think it's helpful to know why you're practicing something and that it's based on your ultimate goals that you want for yourself as a drummer. You don't have to have all the answers, but it's helpful to have an understanding of why you're practicing this and what the outcome is going to be. The first criteria that I use to decide when I'm ready to move on is 1, can I execute what I'm working on without mistakes? I want to repeat the process enough to get it into my long-term muscle memory and truly have it down. Number 2, can I use it musically? If I'm working on a fill and I get it down, can I transition from a beat into this fill and then back into a beat? And then I also take the time to include variations. Once I got something down, I want to make it my own and experiment with it. So overall, it's okay to take a break if you're bored with what you're practicing or you decide you'd rather spend your time working on something else. But overall, this process just takes time. I think it's tempting to practice something for a little while and move on, but keeping in mind the 2 criteria that I mentioned will help you to decide when you're ready to move on. Thanks for listening. Visit drumlessonsinla.com for online and in-person drum coaching. Till next time.